The Z Fold 7 phone from Samsung has been updated to run the most recent version of Android, with a One UI 7 skin and Android 16 and One UI 8 pre-installed. This is a major upgrade for both Android and Samsung phones since the Z Fold 7 will get Android 16 before Google releases the Pixel smartphones in June or July. According to an insider, Samsung is developing a One UI 8 for the Z Fold 7, which may be a superior mobile phone at a lower cost. Nonetheless, there are still offers for the S25 Ultra if you're looking for a better phone at a lower cost. With the Z Fold 7s and Flip 7's very efficient screens that use less power and have a longer battery life, battery advancements have been discussed. It is anticipated that the Galaxy processor's Snapdragon 8 Elite would significantly affect battery life. The cost of the Z Fold 7 has been a topic of worry since prior reports indicate that it was $1,899 last year. However, suppliers of tech tariffs are concerned about price increases for tech items, especially cell phones, and foldables are rather costly. According to Anthony on X, the price of more costly gadgets, like his foldables, may go even further, with the Z Fold 7 potentially costing over $2,000. The Z Flip Fan Edition, a less expensive model that Samsung was developing, seems to no longer be available. A larger display, like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, will also be a feature of the Z Fold 7. The official screen protector attests to the Z Fold 7's display, which is bigger inside and has a boxier appearance akin to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 7 phone from Samsung is a more cost-effective and aesthetically pleasing phone with a broader and more effective design than the S25 Ultra. According to a recent source, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will have the much-needed improvement in the foldable space, significantly more efficient screens that prolong battery life. Furthermore, Samsung may release the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, which would make foldable technology more accessible to a larger market at a more reasonable cost. However, there is a contentious rumor that Samsung may replace the Z Fold 7's S Pen digitizer with a sleeker, thinner design. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.